Hey, it's Krista with WTI, and today I'm going to share with you some of the features of the iClever wireless keyboard and mouse set that have made it a pleasure to use. First, the ease of setup. When I purchased this item, I literally just opened the mouse, put in some batteries, plugged in the USB connector to my laptop, and I was ready to go. That simple. Also, a feature that's really appreciated is the fact that the keyboard and mouse operate so quietly. I can type on the keyboard, I can move around the mouse, I can click on the mouse, and I can even use the scroll wheel, and no one else in the room is disturbed by my clicking and typing. Also, the design of the keyboard having just a slight incline and the mouse having a very low profile make for very comfortable use. Whether I'm just going to be typing and moving the mouse around for a few moments or I'm going to be working for hours, it is super comfortable and my wrists are never sore after use. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a wireless keyboard and mouse set that is easy on the ears, easy on the wrists, and easy on the wallet, then the iClever wireless keyboard and mouse set are for you. And that's my point of view.